Hello, and welcome to our Tagalog lesson. The first lesson we're going to learn today is days of the week. Lunes, Monday. Martes, Tuesday. Miércoles, Wednesday. Jueves, Thursday. Viernes, Friday. Sábado, Saturday. Linggo, Sunday. Let's practice saying them together. Repeat after me. Lunes. 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 Martes. 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 Miércoles. 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 Jueves. 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 Viernes. 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 Sábado. 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 Linggo. 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 Now let's try putting them in a sentence. Repeat after me. Ngayon ay Lunes. Today is Monday. Bukas ay Martes. Tomorrow is Tuesday. Aalis ako sa Miyerkules. I'm leaving on Wednesday. Kailan mo gustong magkita? Huwebes? When do you want to meet? Thursday? Biyernes ang birthday niya. His birthday is Friday. Magkikita kami sa Sabado. We are meeting on Saturday. Bibili ako sa Linggo. I will buy on Sunday. Now let's learn months of the year. January. Enero. 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 February. Pebrero. 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 March. Marzo. 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 April. Abril. 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 May. Mayo. 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 June. Junio. 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 July. Julio. 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 August. Agosto. Agusto. Agosto. September. Septiembre. 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 October. Octubre. 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 November. Noviembre. 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 December. Diciembre. 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 Now let's try putting them in a sentence. Please repeat after me. Ang kaarawan ko ay sa Hunyo. My birthday is in June. Ang araw ng mga puso ay sa Pebrero. Valentine's Day is in February. Babalik ka ba sa Oktubre? Are you coming back on October? Ang Pasko ay sa Disyembre. Christmas is in December. Now that we've learned the days of the week and the months of the year in Tagalog, let's review what we've covered. Please repeat after me. Lunes. Martes. Miércoles. Jueves. Viernes. Sábado. Linggo. Enero. Pebrero. Marzo. Abril. Mayo. Junio. Julio. Agosto. Septiembre. Octubre. Noviembre. Diciembre. Great job! Learning a new language can take time and practice, but with consistent effort, you'll be able to communicate with Tagalog speaker in no time. I hope you enjoyed this lesson and found it helpful. Thanks for watching!